Mga kagandahan, eto na ang pinakamasarap sa aking paraiso, ang pagkain. Dahil sabi nila, it is only through food that you can go to a man's heart. Totoo po yan. Naku, eto ang gusto kong panoorin niyo kung gaano kasasarap ang pagkain sa Golden Sunset.
You're in the beach, you're looking for the sea, products of the sea. So we'll be offering seafood, a lot of grilled seafood, sauteed seafood, and of course we'll be having our shrimps, our crabs, our mga wahoo, we call it tanige, and then of course our tulingan, our buffalo chicken.
May tatlo tayong restaurants po, diba, dito sa Golden Sunset. We have the Veranda. So yung magiging menu natin ng Veranda, more on tapas-tapas and more on Italian and a bit of Spanish cuisine. So of course we'll start with appetizers to main course. And then for Kusina de Oro naman, so more on Filipino cuisine siya. So mga Pinoy na pagkain. Same as with Fish Pond restaurant, pero more on ihaw-ihaw and grill food naman. Ayun.
Basically, we fry the chicken, then finish it in a buffalo sauce. It's very good for appetizers. We also have our special Golden Sunset fried chicken. It's not boneless, but again, the marinade. Tapos hindi siya coated with a lot of mga breading. So it's very nice. It's nice and golden.
Okay, so for Cafe Veranda, so as I've said, parang more on Italian and a bit of Spanish. So magkakaroon kami ng mga pizza dito. So pero kakaiba yung pizza namin kasi instead of using the ordinary pizza crust, gagamit kami ng very thin na parang pita bread na crust. So sobrang good for solo, good for group kasi they can order more pizza in a plate, di ba? So, ano siya, iba-ibang klase, more pork cheese pizza, we'll also be having seafood, grilled chicken, ayun, those stuff. And pasta, of course, Italian. So, we have bolognese, Alfredo, okay. Tapos appetizers naman, ganun din po. May mga pang-Italian and Spanish. And then for Kusina de Oro naman, CDO, yung food naman namin doon, more on Pinoy. So, nandun yung bulalo, kung gusto nila yung mga grilled boneless chicken ay meron kami nun. So same as with Fish Pond restaurant, more on ihaw-ihaw naman doon. So meron kami i-highlight na we call this grilled paella. So just paella topped with assorted grilled food, yung mga seafood, chicken, pork, ganun on top.
Syempre iba-iba yung prices depending, but it's very affordable here sa Golden Sunset. Talagang special dito is I believe is the twice cooked tulingan. Yun lang talaga. So, sinasaing natin dahan-dahan, tapos fini-fillet natin, tapos fini-fry. So basically, it's a filleted tulingan.
Isa yan sa parang pinopromote namin dito sa resort, yung lato salad nga namin. Actually, on the side siya lagi sa mga main course dishes namin. Oo. Lagi may lato salad na, di ba yung usual parang side dish lang na salad, pipino, cucumber, ganun. This time, lato salad yung on the side namin.
Is the chicken sa dilaw. Bago yan, chicken sa dilaw. Ano ba yung dilaw? When you say dilaw, it's a kind of a native ginger. Yun yung turmeric na sinasabi. So ang similar sa mga curries abroad. Pero sa atin, medyo iba kasi dilaw. And it's not too spicy, but it's very nice in flavor. Yung color, yung sauce nagiging yellow. And we finish it with coconut milk, which is gata. Similar to sa tinatawag nating chicken adobo sa dilaw. Meaning, o adobo sa gata. Very similar to that. That is also a special here na binago natin.
For snacks lang, di ba? Ayaw nila mag-rice, ayaw nila mag-ulam. So we also have different kinds of sandwiches. So isa na nga doon yung clubhouse namin. And then malaking serving niya. Actually parang American serving siya. Good for 2 to 3 person siya. And then serve with chips on the side.
Matapos ang napakaraming activities sa Golden Sunset na inyong matutunghayan, naku talaga mag-e-enjoy kayo. Simula sa swimming, ang mga parada, at ang pagkain. But the end of the day, naku, eto ang maganda. Kayong lahat ay pwedeng mag-relax sa tinatawag naming Serendipity Spa, na kung saan lahat ng klase ng masahe ay mararanasan nyo at heaven ang dating.
butterfly sanctuary namin, located talaga yon sa main entrance. Okay? Sa loob ho ng butterfly sanctuary, meron ho doon different types of plants na doon ho namin kinukulture yung mga butterfly. So meron ho talaga kaming tinirain na tao doon para i-multiply. So meron ho talaga siyang proseso kung paano ang gagawin. The Bird Sanctuary of Mother. May pika kami doon, meron kami monkey-eating eagle, merong parrot. Ang maganda dito, talagang binibreed yung mga ibon. Meron talaga kaming incubator doon. May mga naka-assign talaga kami doon. Sa butterfly, meron. Sa bird sanctuary, meron talaga mga nagbibreed, nag-aalaga, nililinis, pinapakain. Meron din kami mga rentables like bicycle. Meron din kaming boating in this area. Volleyball, meron din kami. Meron din kaming billiards, fishing.
Yan ang kagandahan ng aking paraiso. Sabi ko nga, 1 day and 1 night stay in Golden Sunsets and equivalent of 1 week out of Manila. Pero eto na, pagdating natin sa Maynila, syempre ang mga anak natin, mabobore na naman. Mga nanay, there's so much to do for the children on the art side and sport. Yan po ay sa pagbabalik ng Life and Style with Gandang Ricky Reyes.